this small bottle, it's priced at $20. Yes, you did heard me right. It's Advanced Night Repair from Estee Lauder, and it's been on the market for a long time. In fact, it was one of the first serums introduced by Estee, and because it was having patents, no one could really touch it till the patent ran out, and there are more and more companies come up with their own. In the meantime, there's been few different upgrades. But when I went on the Macy's website to see what's new Estee Lauder has, because sometimes obviously, companies, they're coming up with their spring and fall collections, and out of curiosity, I was like, let me see what's new does Estee Lauder has. And on the second page, I saw this with a price of $20, and that's why I decided to do this video, because something is not right. I use and enjoy this product for many years. If you watch my videos, I went through many bottles of it. In fact, I use this item for many years, and it's one of those products which I'm always rebuying because I'm using it. And in fact, there are different sizes. So this is the 1 ounce 30 ml, then is the 1.7 50 ml, and sometimes they're coming up with larger sizes. And this particular one, it's 2.9, 3.9. So it's like 30, 50, and 115 ml. Obviously, it's cheaper to buy the bigger one, especially if you use the product. But let's get down to the prices. And the 30 ml, it's 85. Then the 50 ml, it's 128. And 115, it's, let me take a look at my cheat sheet, it's 225. So in reality, it will be cheaper for you to go buy the big one, because two of those gonna give you 100, and it's still, you're not gonna match up what's in it. If you never tried the product, obviously you wanna go for the smaller size. But Estee Lauder, when they have gift time, 9 out of 10, they're gonna include the small Advanced Night Repair, which has 7 ml. And I mean gift time, where you're gonna spend certain amount and you're gonna get a cosmetic bag with different samples in it. So in that case, you can try more than one item. So that's where you can get this product. But also on their website, when you spend certain amount, depending how much you spend, you can maybe choose like 2 or 3 different samples. And also, not Christmas time, but overall they do gonna have like a bundle set where, and let's say I'm gonna use this as an example. Let's say this is a face cream, right? It costs like $50, but then it's gonna be like a set with the same cream, but with like maybe 2 or 3 different samples for, I don't know, maybe like $5 or $8 more. So obviously the set is gonna give you better value because you're getting the same product with few extra items. However, what I did not like, one thing which no, I did not enjoy it, is that this is $20. And I don't know if I'm a smart shopper, and I don't want to call myself that way, but when I do buy something, I want to get value out of my money. So that's what I'm gonna buy when there is a gift time, or I can get some free samples. But this $20, not so much. Let's say if you never tried the product, yes, you can easily, let's say, invest in it. Or if you're going away and, I don't know, maybe you don't want to carry the big bottle, especially that it's glass and you don't want to break it, yes, why not go with the smaller one? But on the other side, $20 for 7 ml or 0.23 ounce? No. And why? Because there are serums at the drugstore or markets which cost $20 and you're getting double of what's in it. Yeah, because it's gonna be like 30 ml. And a couple years ago, I did video hyaluronic acid serums for which cost less than $20. I know the inflation already went up, but some of those items are still less than 20. And even though it's hyaluronic acid, and no, you're not getting the same ingredients which are in here, and some of them are peptides, hyaluronic acid, and antioxidants. And even though you're not getting the same good things which are in it, but for $20, you can get yourself a bigger bottle. So for example, Vichy Mineral 89, which comes with minerals and some other good stuff for like what? Yeah, and it's less than $20. So it's Vichy 89. Then it's CeraVe, the hyaluronic acid serum, like a creamy serum, but because it's CeraVe, it comes with ceramides. L'Oreal, they have a small, tiny bottle of hyaluronic acid, and even though it's $20, it's still bigger than this. And Bioma, they do have products, okay, they do have serums, full size, and they cost less than this. $20? No. As much as I love Estee, when I saw this, I was shocked. And one more thing which, okay, let's go with the math. So this is 7 ml, right? This is 30 ml. So if I wanna have enough of those, okay, this is 7 ml, this is 30. So technically I need 4 of those to match up this. And yes, I did some math for you, so let me run it through. 30 ml, it's $85. 7 ml is $20. So you will need, yes, you will need 4 of those to have the same amount of this. However, you will have, if you have 4 of those, you're gonna have 28 meals, while here is 30. So it's almost the same, but 4 of those will cost you $80, while this is $85. So with the smaller one, it's not as bad because you do gonna get more product. Then with the 51, the 50 ml, this is 128, and you will need 7 of those to match up what's in here. However, this is 128, and 7 of those will cost you 140. So yes, you will still end up better buying the bigger size. And then let's go for the large one. This is the big one, 115 ml, which costs $225. And like I said earlier, this is equal 2 of those plus half of the little one, or 2 of those and 2 of this. So this is $225, 115 ml. If you wanna get the same amount in the smaller ones, you will need to buy 16 of them, and 16 times 20, it's gonna be $320. So you will get 112 ml, which will cost you $320, but 15 ml for $225. And why I did the math? Because sometimes it's better to go for the regular size. For example, I am using the Estee Lauder every night, and that's the reason why I don't mind buying this product when it's on sale or some kind of a set, because I know I'm gonna use it. With the smaller ones, on the other side, the smaller ones are good if you want to try the product or you travel, or I don't know. maybe you, or if you like the cute packaging. But my thoughts are, if you're using the skincare item every day, yes, go for the big size. Where you want to invest your money in the small package is the makeup. And why? Because unless you are really loyal to certain makeup products, and I'm glad I say that one because I tried to record it 3 times and finally I get it right. So unless you are loyal to certain products, yes, go for the full package, or let's say full size. But if you are changing your makeup or rotating, just stick with the smaller one. And why? This is a blush, a Tarte Amazonia Clay blush, and yes, it's a small size in a shade Captivating. And because it's so pigmented, I don't need to use a lot. I just dip my brush in it and I'm using it. And because I'm rotating, yes, it's gonna take me a while to finish it. In fact, I finally hit the pan, and you can see on the sides, yeah, on the rims, you can see the product is missing. However, because it's so pigmented and you don't need to use a lot, it will take me another 2 years to finish this product. And I'm not exaggerating. So, depending what is it, you know what? Watch out where you put your money in. Makeup, it's up to you, but I would say go with the smaller sizes, especially if you're rotating your makeup. If you're using skincare on daily basis and you stick to certain products, or you know that's what you're gonna be using, go for the regular size. But overall, I was kind of shocked when I saw this. So, as much as I do enjoy the brand, I will really have to think about where I'm gonna, okay, what items I'm gonna invest from them. By the way, let me know in the comments what you think about it, because I don't know if I'm gonna pay $20 for this. I don't really wanna pay $20 for such a small size. So yes, I'm gonna be looking closer towards their promotions, gift times, because sorry, Esther, I do love you. I I'm sorry, Esther, as much as I love the brown bottle, I do not like the price. So yes, I will move over to the regular sizes. Yes, it was a lot of rambling, but I'm inviting you to the next video, and bye for now.